Alright guys, we're looking at 5.3G, which is dividing decimals. Our example is going to be 46.32 divided by 8. Remember that this is your whole, and this is how many groups you have of that. So we're going to go ahead and write it over here. Let's go ahead and look at the example. 46.32 or 32 hundredths with the 8 here. How many times can, well, before we do that, step number 1, always put the decimal, line it up. 8, how many times can 8 go into 4? It can't. You can either put a 0, and then we can do, how many times can 8 go into 46? Well, if we do 8 times 5, we get 40. If we do 8 times 6, we get 48, which is over 46. So we're going to have to do a 5. We'll do 40 here. 40, subtract. Okay, now you gotta bring down the 3. 63. 8 times 7, we get 56. And if we do 8 times 8, that's 64. So we're gonna have to do a 7. 7, that's 56. Okay. 56, we can't subtract that, so we're gonna have to go ahead and regroup. So we have 5, that's 13, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, that's 7, that is a 0. Now we bring down the 2. How many times can 8 go into 72? That's gonna be a 9. 9 times 8 gives me 72, and 0. Our answer is 5 and 79 hundredths.